Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to pair your Garmin Varia RearVue 820 with the app. For that you'll need the Varia app. So you can't use the Garmin Connect app. You need to use the Varia app. You can also connect the light with your Garmin Edge if you have one, but let's connect it with the app. For this video, app will give you some customization options, as well as it'll just show you different like vehicles approaching, of course, because it's a radar. So let's open the app because I have already installed it, and I'll need to click on Let's Get Started. Now I'll position it that way so it doesn't flash directly at the camera, and then I'll click on Connect. It has to be turned on, so you just need to kind of like turn it on by pressing and holding on the button. And now it'll take a moment to like complete the setup of the RearVue 820. Okay, I have an error, so what I'll do is I'll turn it off. Then I'll press and hold until a purple light starts flashing. So now, and I'll go back, I'll click on Let's Get Started, and now I'll click on Connect. Okay, now I have a Bluetooth pairing request, so this time it should work. Yes, it did. Let's click on Next. Now I'll close it for now, and there it is. So you can start using it basically, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.